Hello guys, my name is Sasha and welcome. I love coming up with new healthy dessert recipes, and today I'll show you how to make a vegan citrus cheesecake. You can make it orange flavored, lemon flavored or mix. There is also no sugar, no flour and no oils. It tastes so good, the best vegan cheesecake I've ever cooked and tried. For the base, in the chopper bowl mix 70 grams of oats, the same amount of any nuts, 25 grams of raisins, little salt and cinnamon. Chop it for 5 seconds until you have crumble. A little lemon zest. And now we need to stick everything with the help of a banana. It took me a little less than middle-sized banana. You can replace it with an egg and applesauce or coconut oil. Add and mix until the dough comes together and it's easy to shape it. After that, flatten it in any baking mold. Form the sides about 5 cm high. Put it to the oven for 5–10 minutes while we are preparing the cheese layer. Take 400 grams of tofu cheese. I have firm tofu. Then 1 orange. We only need juice. I also added 20 ml of lemon juice. By the way, instead of orange you can take a lemon, but proportionally add more milk. Of course, any sugar substitute, I usually use 0-calorie sugar substitute. Then 100 ml of oat milk or any other plant-based milk, a little vanilla, just a tiny pinch of turmeric for color, this is optional. When we've got such a cream, add the last ingredient, 15 grams of cornstarch. Also be sure to try it and correct up to your preferences. Bake everything together for 35 minutes at 175 degrees Celsius. The cheesecake will likely crack on top, that's totally normal. The main thing now is to cool it completely. It tastes better this way. Decorate it to your taste and we are ready to try it. Wow guys, this is incredible! Fans of little bit sour cheesecakes will especially love it because the cheesecake layer is very pleasant with some sourness and tenderness. I was so impressed with the taste and I'll continue to delight you with such goodies. Thank you guys for watching, check my other healthy videos and bye!